Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Casio GM-2100. So this is going to be the metallic Casio, so the G Shock with the metallic part, but it's going to work for other models as well that feature the 5611 module. So what you need to do is to press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds. You are going to see that set on the digital display, and as you can see, the first thing that we can read is the home city. Here we have Rome. Now if I press the mode button, it is going to toggle between different options. Here we can set on and off the DST function. I'm going to press it once again. Here we can select between a 12-hour display and a 24-hour display. So if you press the start button, it is going to switch to 12. But if you prefer military time, just like I do, the 24-hour display, you can leave it at 24. Now I'm going to press the mode button, and here we can start to adjust the time. The first thing that we can adjust are the seconds. Now something really important is that if you reset the seconds between 30 and 59, they are going to reset to 0, but a minute is also going to be added. So let's do that. As you can see, it reset to 0, but also a minute was added. Now if I want to reset them to 0 between 1 and 29, they are going to reset to 0, but no minute is going to be added. Now if I press the mode button once again, we can adjust the hours. I can use both buttons this time, so I can press the light button in order to go backwards or the start button in order to go forward. I can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. So this is going to be very useful in case you want to adjust the minutes or the day of the month. I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here we can adjust the minutes. Once again, both ways is going to work this time, so we can go forward or we can go backwards. Also, we can speed scroll, so you can press and hold in order to move faster. I'm going to make it 45. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and now we can adjust the year. So I'm going to either go backwards, as you can see, it is going to go from 2099 and downwards. And also I can go forward, and I can also use the speed scroll function. So I'm going to make it 2027. I went a little too far. And then I'm going to press the mode button, and here I can first select the month. So I can make it December, January, February. You can also use the speed scroll function once again. Then I'm going to press the mode button, and here I can select the day of the month. Something really important is that if you select correctly the year, the month, and the day of the month, Casio will automatically calculate the day of the week for you. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here we can select the key, the light. I'm going to go past these, and as you can see, we have arrived at the beginning. So you can use the mode button in order to toggle once again in case you made a mistake, change something, and once everything is correct and you want to end the process, we are going to press the adjust button. And as you can see, now we have the digital time of 21:47, and now the analog time is going to also go and match that, and it also shows us that it is Sunday. So the G-Shock automatically shows you the day of the week. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. Make sure to give it a thumbs up in case you found this video useful. Subscribe to this YouTube channel in case you are into watches, vintage watches, and watch tutorials. It also helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on the YouTube channel. And don't forget that you have a link to the full guide on how to use all the functions and features on your Casio. So make sure to check it out, link in the description box below. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.